Looking for a secure and private way to buy or sell exclusive feet content online? Welcome to Feetpik.com. Feetpik is a modern digital marketplace built for creators and buyers who value safety, simplicity, and control. No complicated steps, no unnecessary exposure. Just a clean, secure platform that works. Sellers can easily create an account, upload their content, and set their own pricing. You stay in control of your content, your audience, and your earnings. Buyers can browse available content, purchase individual photos, or subscribe to their favorite creators for exclusive access. Everything is organized, searchable, and easy to navigate. Need something specific? Buyers can send custom requests directly through the platform, and sellers choose which offers to accept. No pressure, full control. All payments are processed through secure, encrypted systems to protect both buyers and sellers. Your transactions stay private. Your data stays protected. Feetpik is built with privacy in mind. Content is accessible only to verified purchasers, and creators decide exactly what they share and with whom. Whether you're looking to discover new content or monetize your creativity, Feetpik makes the process simple, professional, and secure. Join today and experience a marketplace designed for trust, privacy, and opportunity. Feetpik.com.